Let's stir up this Karela curry today, which is bitter gourd curry, and this is vegetarian and so full of flavors. What you need for this is 4 to 6 Karela's bitter grouts, 2 diced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. So let's get started. First, heat up your oil on medium flame. I'm using coconut oil for this today, and then you're gonna fry your bitter gourd in here for about 10 minutes. Now I like them to be a bit crispier, so I'm going to continue to fry this for an additional couple minutes until they're a bit more brown. And then you're going to just take a paper towel, put it on a plate, and then just put these on top so they can dry up. In the same oil, now you're going to fry your fenugreek seeds and your cumin seeds for about a minute, and then you're going to add your onions in there. Once you add your onions, you want them to be translucent before you add your next ingredients, which is going to be the tomatoes. Now with the tomatoes, you can also add all your remaining spices in here, and then you're gonna stir fry this for about 10 minutes. You wanna make sure this is the base of the curry, so it's full of flavors. So what we're gonna do is just put the flame on low and cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it looks like this. Make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pan, and now you can add your cooked Karela or bitter grouts in here. Now you're gonna just mix this really well. You do want more tomatoes in this curry just because it adds a nice tanginess to the flavors. And then you're gonna just cover the pan again for another 5 minutes so all the flavors in the steam come together. And this is it. The dish is done. So simple to make, so full of flavors. You'll love this time-saving curry. You're just gonna give it a good stir. You can enjoy this with some roti or some rice or some naan bread. Again, here is how it looks. It's delicious. I really hope you give this a try. Here are the ingredients for you to screenshot. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.